Now here's something important and foremost that you need to know. Have I ever installed landscape lights before from scratch or tied into existing landscape lights before? No, I never have. That's why I'm making this video series. That's why I'm going to be going through the different steps. That's why you'll see that if I, an average Joe, can install these landscape lights, there's no reason why you can't install these landscape lights, because I'm going to give you the meat and potatoes of everything that you need to do, not from scratch, but from an existing landscape lighting system. What to do. Boom, 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 boom. No sense you saying, oh, I can't do it, I don't know anything about electrical. I hear that's kind of dicey. I don't want to start a fire. I don't want to get myself electrocuted. I don't want to mess up the whole system. I don't. No, don't worry about that. Just know that if you do it step by step, and if you have the power off, the main thing is to have the power off to the system, nothing's going to happen. Okay, you just have to be mindful of different things. There's probably directions. If you buy a whole kit, there'll be directions. If you got questions about the wiring, if I need extra wiring, I could go to the store and get some more wire. You can buy just a separate wire. But if you get a whole kit like this, you can get the lights, the up lights, the down lights, all the wires and stuff. All the wiring, maybe 50 feet of wire or 100-foot roll of wire, something like that. But you can get this wire at the hardware store, and I imagine I'm probably going to have to get some, you know, to finish this, because I've got one light here. I'm going to put one light here, and I'm going to put another one over here. But because when they hooked up the initial ones, they gave a little bit of extra wire, and that's what landscapers like to do. They like to roll up the wire to a certain extent. You see here how they kind of rolled this up. Oh, actually, sorry. That piece goes with that, okay? But you see right here. Nope, they didn't do that either. They did something. You know, I think what they did. See, there's a short piece here that's not hooked up to anything. And as I remember, where the pipe goes underneath here, I had this all dug out to fix the landscaping trench right here with the watering pipe in there for the drainage, and there was a wire coming out of it for the lights, and I think they just ran that as a separate thing in case they thought, oh hey, if they want to run anything over here, we'll just help them out. We'll kind of leave that as an extra thing. But I could have tapped in there had they have not left it there. Okay, and that's what this extra wire is for. And you're just going to have to, you see here, that's what I believe that extra wire is for. There must be two chases through here. There's probably one over here, and there's one over here. One is for the sprinkler main sprinkler line for the drip irrigation. One is probably for these wires, because I'll bet you that wire is connected to the other wire that's sticking out over there. You'll start knowing all this. The more you start working in your yard, the more you will see what all is there. Okay, and so when it comes over here, you see this extra wire I have. See how much extra wire that is? So if I want, actually I want it over here. So I'm probably going to have to cut it and put a splice in the existing wire and then do something else. But we'll just have to see. We'll just have to see if I have enough wire, right? And I think I will. In fact, I know where this one is. I had dug this up before. The wire went up to there, and then another wire went, I believe, along here, and it terminates right in here with some wire nuts on it. Okay, I'll probably have to dig that up too, because if I'm short over here, I could cut a little section of wire off over there for the time being if I wanted, couldn't I? Now remember, if I don't, I've got the wire, it stops about there, so I'll have to tap onto that to come over here to install this wire, this light right here. But hear me out, okay? Because I'm doing work over here, I want to concentrate on getting this all done so that I can then figure out which plants I want, dig the plants, and find out where all the existing drip irrigation was from the other plants that were here from before. And I've got those raised up. I made sure I didn't cover those up, so I know exactly where they are, right? So after I plant everything, then I can reroute the drippers, whatever drippers I don't use, I can cap off and put my weed block material down, put the decomposed granite back down, get this all 100% over here before I start working over here, because I'm gonna be working over here. I'm also going to be working over there, and I'm also going to be working over there later on. Okay, I have 8 or 6 lights, you remember? So I'm only concerned about installing 3 here. I'm not even going to install this one yet. No need to install this one just yet. As long as I know I'm going to be doing this in the next month or so. And I know that because once I get done here, I'm gonna go over there. I got a whole thought and idea process to do all this stuff. So I'm only concerned about installing these 3. My wife keeps saying, when are you going to put those lights in? Well, she only got the lights a little while ago, and I was working on this, and I thought to myself, to keep her happy, I'll put these 3 in, okay? And then I'll still be able to do all my business over here, and before I get over here. Then when I get over to here, redo stuff here. I'm going to trim some stuff here where I'm going to take some of these plants out that we don't want. It's all overgrown. This is what you get after 25 years. We're going to have to decide, do we want every single one of these bushes? And we'll have to trim them, make a decision on stuff. Do you like the looks of stuff 25 years later? Look how high everything is. It just looks, I don't know, too busy or something. You probably looked really good for years when everything was small. Then everything starts growing big. You see what happens? Everything starts overgrowing each other. You have to keep pruning it and trimming it and maintaining it and all kinds of stuff. And so I'll have to decide that later, okay? So let's get on with this. Let's open this, take a look at these lights. You still with me? Hope so.